Welcome to MarineMax Huntington. My name is James Duncan. Today we're going to walk through a recent trade, 2012 Sea Ray 185 Sport. Starting here at the bow, great cushion package, very clean upholstery. Boat is in beautiful condition with only 115 hours. Coming over here to the helm, we have a Garmin GPS / depth finder unit. Great storage locker here on the floor. Aft seat with easy access to your engine compartment. Again, very well maintained boat. Very low hours. Super clean. Come check it out at MarineMax Huntington or give us a call 631-956-4865.